What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we got a little package. Check it out. MaxPeedingRods sent us a little care package. We're gonna unbox it on this video, talk about it, and this product might be going on the R18 Turbo Civic, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, boys, that's what I'm talking about. We got ourselves a turbocharger from MaxPeedingRods, and that's a fact. So let's take a look at this. Let's unbox it. This turbocharger, boys, GT28. The turbocharger on the Civic right now, TB25. Baby turbo on the Civic. Right here at GT28. It's gonna put down some power, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. Let's unbox it. Let's see what we got going on here, and let's look at some specs. So right now, what's included? We got a couple gaskets, oil seals, water seals. We have a bolt here, probably this looks like a water bolt for the water line. We also have a oil restrictor that we can probably put into the oil feed line. Probably doesn't have a built-in oil restrictor. And guys, this is not just any turbo from MaxPeedingRods, right? This is their better street race version, and you know why? This is why. Take a look at that wheel, boys. Looks delicious. Let me get a better view for you guys. Let's go over the specs. I'm gonna take a look at this myself off camera real quick so I can give you guys more information. All right, boys, here it is. GT28 71 turbocharger, guys. This turbocharger is meant for applications from 1.6 liter to 2 liter engines. The horsepower rating of this is between 250 horsepower to 400 horsepower. Something my R18 Civic stock block will never see, but it's good to have the option if you want more boost. Now let's talk a little bit about the specs real quick and what makes this turbo special. This is a AR.60 on the compressor side and a AR.64 on the hot side of the turbo. It is much bigger than the current TB25 turbo that I have, which has much smaller compressor and turbine housing, which makes it a great turbo for some driving conditions, but this turbo has much greater benefits for other rev ranges, and the efficiency ranges between these turbos are much different, and we're going to talk about those on another video. And this turbo here is oil cooled as well as water cooled. It has both ports. I'm pretty sure the wastegate spring is an 8-pound wastegate here, and as you guys can see, what makes this turbo very special are these blades right here. These aluminum blades are high strength with high machine forging, and it's much better than your conventional cast compressor wheel. So it makes it lighter, it makes it spin faster, it makes it stronger so your blades don't blow out on you and get sucked into the turbo and into your engine. So amazing little turbo. This retails for around $330 to $360. It is a journal bearing turbo also. It is also internally gated like I mentioned before, with bigger compressor and turbine housing, and I could tell right now this would be an amazing turbo to slap on this R18 Civic. Now let's go back on the bench real quick. I just want to show you guys some other turbos that we're going to compare this one to. As you guys can see, I got 3 boxes in the back. This turbo right here, thanks to MaxPeedingRods, is a GT28. Again, wet float journal bearing turbo. We also do have a Amusa TB25 turbo that is currently on the turbo Civic that we are running. We just have about 2,000 miles approaching on the turbo. And we also have a Amusa T3 T4 turbo with very similar specs to this MaxPeedingRod turbo, and we're going to compare all these turbos, all these specs, which application would work best for the R18 Turbo Civic on the next video. Guys, go check out MaxPeedingRods online. They offer many products at an affordable price: connecting rods, crankshaft, turbochargers, coilovers. We're rocking their coilovers, and soon maybe this GT28 turbocharger. So go check them out, give them a shout out, use the link below, and you do get a 15% discount as well for anything that you purchase. So if you guys are interested in this content, turbo content, Honda content, guides, installs, how-tos, make sure you subscribe to Bully Kid. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Instagram at Bully Kid. Also, I do a lot of pictures, videos that you don't see on YouTube, and I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Company is sending me a turbocharger. You know, if I looked last year on my YouTube channel and thought I was going to be getting turbos valued such as this being sent to me here for marketing purposes, I wouldn't believe you. But it's crazy. I appreciate everyone watching, subscribing, and again, I hope to bring this channel even further down the future, and I hope you guys are enjoying that. So see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.